The benefits of using coffee to dye your hair and more. Believe it or not, coffee has been used as a natural hair dye for a very long time, way before companies started producing chemical options to change your hair color. Coffee can turn your light hair darker or give your naturally dark hair a rich, healthy sheen. Coffee has a long list of purported benefits for the body, such as the ability to make hair healthier. While some people have no problem pouring cold brew over their hair and getting excellent results, you might wonder, is it good to use coffee on my hair? There are over 5,000 different chemicals used in unnatural hair dyes, per the National Cancer Institute. Many of these chemicals are known to cause cancer. However, coffee is a completely natural product that will not cause damage and also benefit your hair. Number 1. Restores hair growth. Hair loss can occur with age, affecting both males and females. Applying coffee topically to hair and the scalp might stop hair loss and promote regrowth. Hair follicle damage occurs gradually, eventually leading to baldness. But according to research, the caffeine in coffee can help stimulate hair growth and stop hair loss. One 2007 laboratory study found that caffeine stimulated hair shaft elongation, resulting in longer, wider hair roots. It also prolonged anagen duration, which is the hair growth stage. The study also tested the effects of caffeine on female hair follicles and found that it had growth-promoting effect on hair follicles in females too. Since caffeine is a stimulant, it also increases blood circulation to hair follicles. This too can help hair grow faster and become stronger, giving the appearance of fuller, thicker hair. Number 2. Promotes softer and shinier hair. If your hair appears dull, brittle, and dry, adding moisturizer can revive its appearance. Surprisingly though, rinsing your hair with coffee may also improve dullness because it contains flavonoids, which are antioxidants that promote hair regeneration. Your hair shaft can become smoother. This can relieve frizziness, resulting in hair that's softer and easier to detangle. Increased blood circulation helps move nutrients to the hair roots, resulting in healthier, shinier hair. Number 3. Naturally get rid of gray hairs. A coffee rinse also comes in handy if you're looking to dye gray hair or darken your hair color naturally. Coffee is dark in color, so it acts as a stain on the hair. This is a quick fix for hiding gray strands if you have brown or black hair. For the best results, use strong coffee such as espresso. Here's how you can use coffee to dye your hair in a few easy steps. Number 1. Make strong organic coffee, preferably espresso. Non-organic coffee most likely contains some added chemicals. Number 2. Let your coffee cool completely. Number 3. Mix 1 cup of leave-in all-natural conditioner with 2 tablespoons of organic coffee grounds and 1 cup of cold brewed coffee. Number 4. Apply the mixture onto your hair and leave in for about an hour. It will give your hair a beautiful chocolate color, free from any damaging chemicals. A quicker option, although not as strong, is known as a coffee rinse. Here's what you'll need to make it. 2 to 4 cups of brewed, completely cooled coffee, spray or applicator bottle, plastic shower cap. Number 1. You'll need 2 to 4 cups of brewed coffee depending on the length of your hair. Let the coffee cool completely and then pour the brew into a spray bottle or an applicator bottle. Number 2. Wash and condition your hair as normal. While your hair is still wet, spray or apply the brewed coffee to your hair, making sure to saturate your strands. Number 3. After applying, massage the coffee into your hair and scalp for a few minutes. Apply a shower cap and allow the rinse to sit on your hair and scalp for about 20 minutes. Number 4. For an extra layer of moisture, mix your favorite leave-in conditioner with the brewed coffee before applying to your hair. Number 5. After 20 minutes, Rinse the coffee from your hair with cold or lukewarm water and then pat dry. If using a coffee rinse to dye your hair, you may need to repeat the rinse to achieve the desired color. Make sure to wait until the coffee completely cools before transferring to a spray bottle and your hair. To avoid a burned scalp, never apply hot coffee to your hair. Keep in mind that if you have light-colored hair, coffee can stain or tint your hair, so make sure you don't wear anything you don't mind possibly staining too. I hope this video was useful to you. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching!